What's the meaning of awe? Awe. 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 Awe can refer to different things depending on the context. It could be an abbreviation for antihemophilic factor, which is a type of protein used in the treatment of some bleeding disorders. Alternatively, it could be a slang term used to express surprise or disappointment. In some contexts, awe could also be an acronym for various organizations or concepts. Without more information about the specific context in which awe was used, it is difficult to provide a more detailed or accurate answer.